Yeah, so I wanted to do this to thank everybody. So the idea here is I'm just going to light the fire, which, given that I can, in theory, I'll do with flint and steel to sort of demonstrate an ancient way of fire lighting, and then we'll drink some beer and watch it burn down. So on that note, I would like to hand over to Steve and thank Steve for his support and assistance with putting all this together, and I'd like to ask Steve to say a few words and cut the ceremonial wrapped up string that's currently in the doorway.
Sure, thanks, Jim. I was thinking about this on the way over, that how long have I known you, Jim? I reckon it's 20 years. Yeah. It was the start of my PhD. Jim was the first person to show me how to make a comb, so it's his fault. When Jim came to us with this idea, we were really excited about it, because obviously we knew that you knew how to work metal, that you were very kind of careful about your research, about how you went about doing this stuff. And the idea of actually going back to first principles and kind of building from the workshop upwards and was really kind of interesting, we thought. Now, when you suggested I'm going to build a workshop, this is not what I thought you meant initially. So this is a slightly bigger undertaking than I thought. So I'm really, really impressed, and I think it's a great place to be at. We got through that amount of labour, that amount of health and safety and risk assessment work is a massive achievement. So, and it's just beginning.
Yeah.
One thing we found out already, isn't it, that through the process of building this, you've actually found out quite a lot of kind of useful information for research that we didn't know about architecture as well as about the craft that's going to come next. So before I cut it, should we say congratulations? And
Thank you. Cheers, everybody.
We'll toast the house, the workshop. House? Toast the workshop. Cheers. Skull.
Skull.
Ready? Three.
Yay, that's easy enough. Hey.
I think you should go in first, Jim.
Thank you. Thanks, Steve.
Good stuff.
Thank you, everybody. Guys, drinks over there.